Okay, Maggie, now what's going on in this room? This is right next to the room we just left.
Yes, yep. So since you do have a nice view of the front door over there walking in, we've decided that this is going to be the main salon area.
Okay.
Have 4 stylists in this room, if we can reasonably fit them. Definitely got some planning and charting to do.
Okay.
That
That window's nice.
Isn't that beautiful? So we're definitely going to be taking the blinds off of there coming up.
Right.
That trim again is going to be white to contrast with the same theme in here with the espresso floors, white tin ceiling.
Great.
We're going to put some beautiful kind of blackened brass, I would call them, task lighting up here. So that'll sort of also fit with the period of the house and kind of give a modern / vintage look.
Right.
With those.
Well, what do you think about those radiators that are all over the house?
I love them.
You like them?
I think
they'll clean up, right?
So much character. Oh
Yeah.
I think those will clean up just fine.
And then when you do the floors, I got a quick question for you because I looked this up. I just want to hear it from you. These floors, even though we want them to be hardwood and exposed, they have to be treated in a certain way to prevent hair and any kind of problems, right? Any kind of, what do you want to call it? Microbes or whatever. Mm-hmm. So it has to be treated. My understanding is it's equivalent of gym seal.
Yes.
That's going to, so the whole floor will be done in that color that you want, and then it's going to be sealed, basically like hermetically sealed, right?
Basically.
So it's going to be like a piece of glass that you're working on.
Yep, because hair color is it's a dye, it's a stain. So if you spill it on floors like these that are a lighter color and that aren't sealed that way, you're going to have colorful stains all over your floor, and they oxidize just a hideous color.
And as recently as yesterday, this house was covered with 2,000 square feet of carpet, wasn't it?
2,000 square feet of carpet removed in one
By
day.
one little girl who did almost all the work. Corrine Crockett did almost all of that. Yeah, the rest of us got to just enjoy pizza and watch the work being done.
Relax while Corrine just hurricaned through the house, ripping up carpet like she was born to do it.
All right.